We're going to explain how to integrate Python with PHP. This isn't a direct integration like calling Python functions directly from PHP code in the same way you might call functions within the same language. Instead, it involves using PHP's capabilities to execute external programs, specifically your Python scripts, and then handling the output. This approach is necessary because PHP and Python are distinct languages with different interpreters. 1. Preparing the Python script. First, you'll need a Python script that performs the task you want to integrate. Let's say we want a Python script that calculates the factorial of a number. You'd create a Python file, e.g. factorial.py, containing the necessary code. Python import sys def factorial. If n equals 0, return 1. Else, return n factorial and 1. If line name sorry insan main gauset. Number e int sys argv. Result e factorial number. Print result. This script takes a number as a command line argument and prints its factorial to the standard output. 2. Executing the Python script from PHP. Now, within your PHP script, you'll use the execend or shell exec function to run the Python script. Exec is generally preferred for capturing output, but shell exec is simpler if you don't need to manage the output stream directly. Here's how you might do it using shell exec. AP AFP number equal 5. Output equal shell exec Python factorial.py. Number. Echo, the factorial of such number, is output. This PHP code takes a number, in this case 5, constructs the command to run the Python script, and then uses shell exec to execute that command. The output of the Python script, the factorial, is captured and displayed. Remember to ensure that the Python interpreter is in your system's path environment variable, so PHP can find it. 3. Error, handling and security. Crucially, using exec or shell exec introduces security risks if you're taking input directly from a user without proper sanitization. Malicious users could inject commands that execute beyond your intended script. Always validate and sanitize any user input before including it in commands passed to exec or shell exec. Consider using prepared statements or other security measures to prevent command injection vulnerabilities. 4. Alternative approaches. For more complex interactions or improved performance, you could explore using message queues like RabbitMQ or Redis, or inter-process communication (IPC) mechanisms. These provide more robust and controlled ways to exchange data between your PHP and Python applications. However, for simple tasks, directly executing the Python script as shown above is often sufficient. Remember to consider error handling. Check the return value of exec or shell exec to detect any issues during execution.